that side goes to Tyson's Corner, and this side goes to McLean, Virginia. And this is like a 1,000-mile ride, and the bike is absolutely flawless. Love it. It is everything you want and everything you can ask for from a motorcycle. Great power, great maneuverability, slow speed, high speed, a lot of technology. I have not had any problems with the TFT and all that. So very happy so far. And this is Sunday evening around 6:35, 78 degrees, but super humid, maybe 100% humidity, and typical of Washington, D.C. One of the wealthiest neighborhoods in the area, if not in the country. So, talking about the bike again, it's got 1,030 miles, and everything is working flawlessly. I did not really add much at all on this bike. I had the grip puppies, tank protection, and crash bars in the rear, and cylinder head protection in the front, and that's all about it. Yep, that's all I did. It's got everything I want and nothing more to add or delete. I love Sunday afternoons, late Sunday mornings, little traffic. You can really enjoy these back neighborhood roads. And in general, drivers in this area are pretty bad, so the less they are on the road is better for, obviously, the bikers. A lot of backyard barbecue smells coming from the homes. You know, usually Sunday night is the time that people eat dinner together. I guess dads are cooking and you can smell the beautiful barbecue as you ride along the back roads in McLean, Virginia. You know, everyone talks about the smell factor when you're riding a motorcycle, that you don't get that much in a car. It is absolutely true. It could be the grass or the dump truck in front of you. but also the barbecue. Beautiful smell of the beef. Yeah. Such an incredible engine, so smooth. The power is there any moment you want it, as much as you want it. It never says, I don't want to go. It's just a beautiful engine. Everybody's walking their dogs, cooking out, walking around. When I left home, US Open men's final was happening. It was a pretty much even game. Alcaraz and Ruud. So probably by the time I get home, it's still going on. These games usually take like 5 hours. I always brake for nice rear. That's my respect. Short shifting is never a problem. Like I'm on, let's see, 2700 RPM, fourth gear, 40 miles an hour, and it's just going along and not a complaint. And you know, I always use the top octane 93. That's the highest you can find in my area. Absolutely love these lights for the pedestrians. This is fantastic. I really wish every pedestrian crossing had these lights, and because there are so many bad drivers. Hi, hello, hi. you make a left on the slide and make left on the next slide, you will be in CIA's compound and you will get pulled over. And they will question you to death, even if you make a mistake. And it can happen, so. Well, this was a short 1,000-mile ride with the RT, and it's just a great bike. If you're in the market for a touring motorcycle, and if you're not going to do any off-roading, I can highly recommend. It is an incredible machine. Like Nike says, just do it. Life is short.